Hello creatives, it's been a while. It's Ephemeral here, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can achieve this scanned photography slash double exposure using Photoshop. So it's very easy to design. It only takes like 5 minutes or so. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in and let me show you how I've done this. So first of all, let's open this group. As you can see, I have 3 layers in here. So the first layer is a photo that I downloaded from the internet. You can search wherever you want. I've took it from Pinterest. And then the next step is that you need to go in here and select the single column marquee tool. So yeah, go in here and select the single column marquee tool, click once and then click Ctrl and J. So a new layer will pop up. It will be a duplicate with that selection. Hit Ctrl T and then drag left or right by holding Shift and Alt. And when you're done with your selection, hit enter and you have something like this. Then go in here and select overlay, and this is basically it. So my layer looks something like this on normal, but I've tried using overlay and then soft light, and I decided that soft light works best with my second photo, so their blending looks much better than with overlay on it. And the next step is that you have to get another image on top of your first image above the layer that you've copied, and then this is the image with Dave and Aoki, and put it on overlay. Maybe play a bit with the erase tool and hide some selections that you don't want. Put it on overlay, and this is basically it, the final result. Like those two images merged together, and now comes the fun part. I've added some textures that you can download from my texture pack, which will be linked in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to check my Ko-Fi profile, where you can find some awesome designs that I post on a weekly basis. So be sure to check that out. It's on the screen, Ko-Fi/Ephemeral, and if you want, you can also support this. And this is the texture that I've used. I've inverted it by using Ctrl and I, and another texture on top of it, which is this one with a mask on it, and I've deleted some unnecessary areas that I don't want to show on my design. So it will look like this. The initial image looks like this, some lines on the middle, but I've decided to mask them because I don't want anything to cover their faces. But I think that this one looks really good, so I'll keep it this way. And then on top of it, on the final layer, I've added some scratches, some brush scratches, and I'll teach you how to do it. It's very simple. Select your brush tool, put 1 pixel, and then basically just draw on top of your image. It will make it a bit like old school, like some scans, like some photo scratches. If you have some old photos that were scanned after, you can see on your scans that they have like scratches, and it makes your whole design more interesting, more unique as much as possible. It's like very similar to old photos. This is basically it, guys. It's very easy to design, and I hope you guys like it. If so, don't forget to hit like on this video to show your support, and if you haven't done it yet, please consider subscribing to my channel because it helps a lot. Also, you can leave a comment and tell me your opinion on this. And until next time, guys, take care and stay creative. Bye bye.